Look. Can you see it's like daylight when it does it? Let's show it to Joyce. See like it. That's a bit of thunder. And Wayne. Wayne will love it. Come. Oh!
Wow.
So all you can see is just the window lighting up. They'll say, don't lie, someone had a flashlight outside. I like the sound of it. You know when you have the thunderclap when it goes bang? I like that.
We had like it earlier.
But from this angle you don't actually see the lightning because it's over that way.
Yeah.
Although I suppose if you had like one of them, you know them cameras that does the slow motion, you could probably, there probably is little forks coming down, but they're probably too quick for us to pick them up. See them. Daylight, look at that. I wonder when it come out on the phone.
Look at it.
Cool, can you imagine what this would sound like if we was in the caravan? Oh, God. Sunny Yarmouth. 3 o'clock in the morning. That's about 3:30 now, isn't it?
It is about 3:30.
That's for show the opposite.
Well, most sensible people are going to sleep ready for breakfast. We're sitting up videoing it.
Good. Don't see it very often. Prop running it. Yeah, let's do it in the room, see how it lights the room up.
It ain't really light in the room.
Trust me, it will. I suppose if it was bright enough and we had that other window open, it probably would.
If you had what open?
If we had both curtains open, it would. Because that one is more the angle of it. I think 4 minutes is enough, don't you think?
Yeah. Go see.
Yeah.
Shame to us.
Yeah, I wonder if I could get a photo when it next time it flashes.
You could.